Hi everyone, I'm Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about very good informative tips for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB first semester students. So, first semester students, these are the very good informative tips I'm going to talk about. Why? Because base is very important for all the things. If you would like to success, especially in any field, the base is very important. Today, I'm going to give very good base how to make your base in first year, first semester LLB. So many of the senior students may misguide to the juniors how to prepare and how to refer and how to write your notes, how to prepare yourself for the upcoming first semester LLB examinations. So, as per my experience and my views, I'm going to share today the very good informative tips for you all. This is especially for freshers who have not been joined. As you all know, Karnataka State Law University, Hubli, they are going to start academic year for the 2021 and 22 will be 15th of November. So 15th of November 2021 they will be going to start academic year for the first year LLB students for first semester, especially 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. So in this situation, all of the students are eager to know the things what will be the subjects in first year and first semester and how to study ourselves and how to prepare for the LLB examinations. They will have a many confusions in their mind. So in this video, some of the tips, if I am going to tell that if you adopt in your, especially in student life, definitely you will be going to success because many of the students have been succeeded as per my advice. Many of the students they have been taken outstanding grades in the first year LLB. I have seen many feedbacks which I have received from earlier means previous year students who have been written their LLB examination like first semester, second semester, third semester, who have been followed my tips. They have got very good marks and they have got outstanding excellent grades. Many of the students I have seen, I have received so many feedbacks in my YouTube channel as well my in my WhatsApp group. So after anyhow, I hope all of the students have been already admitted in the particular colleges. Next month means 15th of November, they will be going to start academic year, and many of the colleges have been already started the lessons which they are going to study in the first year and first semester LLB, whether it could be 3 years LLB and whether it could be 5 years LLB. I'm going to give some very good tips today. So first of all, after admission and if you going to attend the classes, what you have to do is you have to first of all you have to get the syllabus, present syllabus, you have to get it collected from your colleges, respective colleges. So there will be a library in college and please be attend the college regularly so that you will receive very good informations from your college and your lecturers will be giving very good advices and you have to listen properly the chapters which are going to present from the colleges. That is very important. So in the many of the students I have been seen, many of our especially LLB students, they will be in part-time jobs, they will be in agriculture activities, some of them they will be in their own business, they are doing it along with their education. So they will anyhow they will be going to attend the classes as well. Meanwhile, along with that, along with their education, they will be engaged some other extracurricular activities in their life because to live their livelihood. So that is very important for them also. It is very important this if you see this video, if you adopt these methods in your life, definitely will be going to successful in the LLB course. LLB course is a very good course. You can stand on your own feet. Means after completion of your LLB, your life will be supreme. I would like to say. So why how you can able to grow in this LLB field means there are after completion of your LLB course there will be a plenty of opportunities are awaiting to get into the many kind of fields like you would like to become advocates, you can become legal consultants, you will become like corporate consultants, you will you can able to write competitive exams like government jobs also are awaiting. There are plenty of job opportunities after completion of your LLB. So in the first year especially, you have to keep in your mind, you have to give precious about your time is very much valuable during your first year LLB, especially first semester. Many of the students what they will do, they are neglecting initially. When examinations notification after receiving your examination notification, they are going to start their studies to write their LLB examinations. That won't help actually. You have to prepare yourself initial itself. Slow and steady wins the race. Don't do be like fast, don't do be like very arrogantly. That won't require at all in LLB course. In the initial itself, when you have entered into the LLB admissions after started colleges like curriculum started means you have to study at least minimum 1 hour a day. And along with that, anyhow you have got your syllabus from the colleges. After receiving your after receiving the syllabus, you have to go through deeply your syllabus. There will be a objectives in each subjects. You have to understand the objective of the course of the subject. First of all, after understanding the objective of subject or subject means any kind of subject, you will be knowing that what will be inside, and you have to go through properly syllabus. Then after, what you have to do is, you are attending the classes and you are listening the classes from your respective colleges from the lecturers. So after that, you have to prepare yourself your notes. Notes is very important. You will not knowing the importance of notes. When the examination times, you will come to know the importance of keynotes. First of all, I would like to tell all of our students, you have to refer 5 to 6 previous years of question papers. Why you have to refer previous years of question papers means you will come to know what will be the questions will be asked in the each subjects, and you will come to know what are all the 10 marks questions and what are all the 6 marks questions will be asked in the university exams. So likewise only you can prepare yourself the notes, especially anyhow you received syllabus from the colleges, and you have downloaded or collected previous years of question papers like 5 to 6 years previous years of question papers. So according to that questions, you have to answer for those questions in your notes. Take a subject like constitution law. There will be a like most important questions like 30 to 40 questions will be available for previous year question papers. You write those questions and for those questions you have to answer every day. Why you have to write your notes means you have to improve your writing speed also. That is very important. LLB students should do while writing your examination. 3 hours of examinations, if you have not practiced how to write, you will be going to fail, and you cannot complete your all questions answers. You will leave like 3 to 4 questions. One, if you lose one questions also, you lose marks. So in this channel, especially uh, especially in my channel, I have explained all kind of topics. Means how to write your LLB examinations, how to prepare your notes, how to manage the time, how to manage the 3 hours of time in the LLB examinations. I have prepared most important questions for all 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students. Please go through each and every topic I have discussed about, especially the KSLU pattern, like 80 by 20, 100 marks. I have prepared very well in this platform. You can go through. I have created around 25 to 26 playlist. Even important notification also I have been discussed and I have uploaded in this channel. There are many things you can able to learn from this channel. Because why I have started this channel, how to improve myself and how to teach which I know to our students, so that they will also get benefit. In I have seen when I was studying my LLB first year, nobody was there to teach me actually. If nobody was there, I was alone to face the examinations. And how I prepared and how I made, I'm explaining now. Practically I'm explaining now, because I had experience how I have written, and how I prepared the notes, and how I have pursued those examinations, that and all. It's coming open means it's all been experienced. So so this is how you have to prepare. You have to prepare your notes each and every day. Don't waste your time is precious. If you would like to grow, especially in the LLB field, means you have to put little efforts. Without efforts you cannot pass at all. I can damn surely I can say that without your efforts, without putting any efforts, you never be succeed in LLB. Especially LLB course is a little quite difficult subjects, and you won't get marks from the university. Evaluations are most strict. Valuations will be conducted by Karnataka State Law University. So we have to, our answer should be very good quality, and our answer should be very good quantity also. So if we have the quality and quantity, you will get you will get score very good marks in LLB, and as well as you can pass very easily in the LLB examinations. You have to prepare your own notes for those previous years of question papers. How to source your answers for those questions, that is also very important. Please, I would like to say, please don't depend on single book. You have to source from the different sources. What we can say, any of, in your college there is will be a library, and you have to purchase one or two kinds of books. Any kind of books, there will be a prescribed books and reference books in your syllabus. That also you can purchase, that you can collect it from your college also. There are many books are available in the market. Those kind of books you have to purchase, as well as you can get it from your library also. That also you have to refer prescribed books and reference books. And as well, many kind of law series books are available, that also you can refer. And please be refer even Google also. From Google also you can get n more of answers for those questions. We need not to depend on single source. Multiple source will create a good answers for your questions. So how to write your notes? Like, you have to write like introduction for those question, you have to write section or subsection for the particular question, and you have to write meaning and nature of the particular question, and after that you have to write key points and you have to elaborate those key points, and you have to write some 2 to 3 case laws, like landmark case laws, ordinary case laws there will be available, that also you have to write those case laws, and illustrations also you can write 1 or 2 illustrations also you need to write for those particular question, and after that you have to write some conclusion for the particular question. You have to write like this in this pattern for 10 marks question and as well as 6 mark question. 6 mark question also you need to write like the introduction, one definition, and nature or meaning of that particular question, and after that you have to write one case law, and if you know very well about like illustration, that also you can write one illustration, and you have to give conclusion. So this method you have to follow. If I come to pattern of uh, especially syllabus, there will be a 80 marks theory and 20 marks will be the internal IEA, internal assessment. 20 marks will be given by the college. You have to write each subject assignments. In earlier videos have explained how to score internal assessment marks. Internal assessment marks also is very important to score your LLB examinations. Be honest to your lecturers and be sincere to your lecturers so that you will gain some good rapport with them. That is also very important to score your internal assessment. Your behavioral aspects and your attitude aspects, those kind of things should be good towards your lecturers. That is very important. And you have to write very nicely your assignments, whichever the topic as given by the colleges. You have to write very nicely, 15 to 20 pages you have to write, and you have to make underline for those key points, and you have to be make attractively your assignment. For assignment also you will get very good marks, and after that internal test will be conducted by the colleges. That also you have to write very nicely in the colleges so that you will get very good marks, 20 out of like 18, 16, more than 15 you will get it. For 80 marks theory you have to write it. For the theory how to write your LLB examination, I have already made video, you can go through it so that you will get one idea about how to write your LLB examination during the 3 hours of time. How to manage your time, that is very important during the LLB examinations. All the things you have to keep in mind. Now only you have to keep a base, very good base. If the base is good, the building construction also very good. If base is not good, the building will be collapsed, my dear students. So that is the reason I am stressing always, you have to initially you have to start very good base you have to create for your LLB, especially in the first year, first sem. First year and first sem is the very important class, that is very important in your life, because if you pass all the subjects in first attempts you will get confidence to write upcoming like further LLB examination like second sem, third sem, fourth sem, fifth sem. If you failed in the first semester you will get demotivated. So you cannot, you may think that no, I cannot pass LLB examination, very tough, and I have failed. In your mind you will get negative things, negative aspects. So that should not be there. In the first sem itself you have to study well about your LLB examinations so that you will get very good marks as well. You can able to pass in first attempt itself. I'm damn sure that if you follow my tips, definitely you will get success in your LLB life. Once again I would like to tell all freshers, especially those who are going to join first year, and first semester LLB, whether it could be five semester LLB, whether it could be 3 year semesters LLB. For them, I would like to congratulate and I would like to all the best for your first semester. So this video has been made for first semester students to create good base in their life. So I hope, please do subscribe my channel, my Anil Kumar Ketty, so that you can create very good environment in your LLB life. So I will give best of best videos. I will give best any notification, new notification, upcoming notification will be released means from the KSL University. Definitely I can able to explain those in a simple method. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Please do forward my videos to your relative or friends, so that they will also get benefit. Thank you.